So guys, our city is opening back up, culture is opening back up in our beautiful New York City after everything we've been through and everything we are currently going through. This is truly a momentous occasion. I am humbled and honored to be a part of this, that I am entrusted to share this with the world. I'm very happy that the Met is taking all of these safety precautions. I'm loving my styling new mask, by the way, okay, with my styling hand sanitizer. I stay rooted to the Making of the Met exhibit. I am absolutely in love with that exhibit. I think it's beautiful. The hallways, the walls, the paintings, the sculptures, the artifacts, everything is just breathtaking. I'm in love with it.